In late 2007, Jim Jannard sold Oakley sunglasses to the Italian company Luxottica for a reported $2.1 billion. The last pair of sunglasses he played an active role in designing for Oakley were these, named Pit Boss. These are in matte black titanium with black iridium lenses. They were released in 2009. On July 5th, 2023, Jim Jannard, along with his son Janin, released the first sunglasses under his newest project, M Experiment. Oh hey, look at that shape of chip. I'm Shady Day, and this is Shady Day Sunglass Reviews. Today, July 12th, we received by DHL Courier from Los Angeles, California, the latest release from M Experiment, the Jigawatt sunglasses. These were released in 9 colorways, unique frames and lenses. The first 50, we understand, are serialized, but it's not to be a limited release as far as we know, although one set has already sold out within a few days. Let's have a look inside here. When we look inside, they're not really packaged that neatly, but certainly everything looks intact and I don't see any damage or anything like that. Look at the box, fairly understated box with the M Experiment logo on front and Jigawatt, kind of classy, embossed into the box. On the side, these are the gloss black and white with obsidian plasma chromatic polarized lenses. So these are actually the most expensive of the lot that was released. The back, we see number 21, a very good number to have if you're playing blackjack. In terms of glasses, well, if there's 50, I guess we'd say that's middle of the road in terms of the order. They are being shipped in the order that they were purchased. So if you made the first order, you will have number 1. We've got the microfiber cloth, again, embossed with the M logo. I kind of like the logo. It's definitely kind of cool. And here we go. What do they look like in black? I was thinking these would be as close to his last Oakleys. I mean, I don't know that they are or not. Have to look at them. But that's why we thought we'd take the Pit Boss out of the archives here. They're definitely lighter than the Pit Boss. They've got a nice contour frame here. Kind of action, it looks like to me, to kind of speak to movement on them, and some light accents on the top of the lenses. Again, these are the they're not black lenses, photochromatic lenses, and they're quite sharp in here. Now, we're not outside. We'll take these outside for a quick run outside as well, but they feel really light. They definitely hug to my big head quite well. I've got a fairly large head, and they do feel pretty good, pretty light. The arms are tight, definitely. That feels good. The nose piece feels really good for my face. So, and I'm liking that color. I don't know how they look on me. Obviously, I can't see myself, but they definitely feel good. What else do we have in the box here? Oh, we've got an M Experiment sticker, decal, some paperwork, how to wear your sunglasses. Very complicated. And yeah, the microfiber bags. So without further ado, let's see what other treasures we have in here. Put those ones away. We have 4 of the 9 here today. Some others on order. We didn't go too crazy. Number 36. These are the frame matte sky color, chocolate accents, and sepia lenses. So Have a look at these. Same thing, the box with the 36 on it, nothing different there. Decal inside, paperwork inside, microfiber bag. And what do the sky, matte sky. Most of the colors were matte, with the exception of those glossy black ones. So these are matte. Yeah, those are glossy black. These are, wow. Now that is definitely a different color. I don't mind those at all. So the chocolate is the accents around the top, the M on the side, the M logo on the side, with some other accents on the side. Again, the contours up and in, slide them on. I don't like the color looking through them as much as the black. The black was polarized as well, so they're definitely not as sharp. And the sepia tone, I'm not a huge fan of. I don't know if we could see my eyes through them. They don't feel as dark, but yeah, they look good. They feel good, and yeah, that's a pretty snazzy color. I like the sky blue for sure. You know, that's if nothing speaks to summer in July, then that color. That's awesome. Let's move on. Next up, we have matte chocolate with sand accents and copper plasma chromatic lenses. So you could see on the box, they do put the color of the frame, which in this case is chocolate, the color of the accent, which in this case is sand, and then it just describes the lens below as copper. So that's what we're in for. And what are these going to look like? Same thing in the box. Number 30. And let's see number 30. Ooh, some chocolate. Now those look delicious. Actually, I do like the unique colors for sure. The gold M embossed on the side. I mean, the accents are pretty cool. I like the accents on these. Oh, and I do like I like the tone of these copper over the sepia. I like the tone for sure. It's a softer, less yellowish or orangish tone looking through the copper, but it does still have a bit of a copper tint to it. And again, they do feel really good. I feel like I could run in these. I feel like I could, work out in these if I wanted to. Even volleyball, like I think they would definitely stay to my head, for sure. Again, the arms are stiff. The nose piece on this is black. So the nose piece is black on the copper. I guess the nose pieces are all black. They're black on the sky color as well. So the nose pieces are all black. And yeah, what do you think of chocolate? Chocolate looks pretty good too. Okay, last pair. Let's take a look. I mean, really, it's all in the eye of the beholder. These sunglasses retail around $145 US for these last pair that we're trying on. The polarized glossy black were $185 US. So, I mean, you certainly can't get a pair of Pit Boss for that cost right now. Number 36. And these are a bit brighter. We've got matte sand, goldenrod accents, and blaze. So that's their reddish color, blaze plasma chromatic. So that's what we're going to be looking at here now. Microfiber bag is, a microfiber bag. There's not much really to say about it. It feels as thick as anything, I suppose, to protect your glasses, wipe your glasses, and wow. Look at when we peek those out. Woo! Those are gorgeous. Like, seriously, I think these blow away. They definitely blow away the last pair. The chocolate, these are, And they're not, I thought they were going to be a bit more tan color, but they truly are a sand color. It's not, I mean, you could call it tan, but I'm not a big fan of a tan color, and I'm not a huge fan of white, but I like these. These are more gold, really, than anything. And again, the gold accent, or the gold logo insert on the side, and the, I don't know, they're calling it yellow, goldenrod. The goldenrod accents go inside as well. You know, that's what gives them that look on the outside. That's the goldenrod accent. Of course, you can see each pair is made in the USA. They are designed, made in the USA, nothing from China. As we know, Oakley is now producing everything in China. At least that's my understanding, with a very few exceptions. And there is also the number inside. Again, the first 50 we understand are going to be serialized, and you can see just on the inside, I don't know if you can see that there, but the number is just on the inside there, and that's number 36 of these. These are going to sell out, well, sorry, the first 50, the numbered ones, will sell out, and then my understanding is they will just keep making these, and I don't see why they wouldn't. And these ones, these look awesome. Let me try those on. Oh, and I love I like the color is true. Looking through them, there's no real tint to those lenses. They're blazed, but they don't look red. They don't look sepia. They don't look copper. They look true color. Just true color through them, which I do like. And so those are the sand, and we'll get these lined up on the table here, and we'll put a few photos in. But yeah, there we go. So I'm always a big fan of black, but these are probably my number 2. Looking at the 4 colors we have here, these would probably be my number 1. These feel a bit tighter for sure. It could just be the way they are, but these actually hug my face better. But they both feel really good. These would probably be my 2nd of these 4. My 3rd. Get all the boxes confused here now. I'm gonna eat this butt chip. I probably could have sold that one. Oh, sorry, these are my 4th. These are the brightest. Definitely the brightest, the chocolate. Have the brightest lens, probably the least amount of light through. These are the brightest lenses. These are my 3rd. The blue. These are 2nd brightest, looking through them. They do all feel a little bit different, I have to admit that, but I mean, that's manufacturing. Nothing you can do about that. But they all feel good, they all feel light, and yeah, I think a job well done. I mean, the quality is good. The company has been quick. I got these in 2 days from ordering, 3 days from ordering, and they were just started shipping yesterday. We got them internationally in just about 48 hours from when they shipped. But I love these ones, definitely. So that's everything for today. Thanks for watching, and this is Shady Day, and this has been Shady Day Sunglass Reviews.